Namaskar, this is Bhagwan Kulkarni. I welcome you everybody to this channel of Brahmin Satya on YouTube. This channel, as I said, that I will be frequently now coming to this channel and giving up the details of what is Brahma Satya going to do. And today is what I am going to speak in front of you is Brahma Artha. Is that what is Brahma Artha going to do? Brahma Artha is an organization which we have established is to help the Brahmin community for by the way of loans in education, uh, then in healthcare, in business. These are the three major things where we will be helping the Brahmin community. Now we will first take up is business. What do we do? What we would be doing in business is that in business today, we may not be able to give you huge loans today, okay, but not giving huge loans, but then also supporting you is very important. So how do we support? Number one, today when you are putting up a huge business, you require guarantors. When you require guarantors, there are and getting a guarantors these days is also very difficult. So while getting a guarantee is being difficult, in that case, our organization means organizations under the umbrella of Brahma Satya will stand as guarantors to you at a fee. So with that kind of a fee, we will stand as a guarantor. When we stand as a guarantor, we will even help you in the time of crisis also, that how to go ahead. That is, in the time of crisis, if you require this thing installments, if you don't have money to pay installments, if you have less money to pay installments, then in that case we will help you by giving loans to pay the installments. So how do we pay those installments? We have a strategy for that. We have a direction for that. There are people who have been supporting to us for that. So this is how we will be going. For that, you require to have shares of our Brahma Artha and the company which is or the organization which is supporting you. That is one thing. Then you need to deposit one installment of your loan. That is one thing. And then there is a subsequent monthly saving. That monthly saving will carry an interest of 3% to you. And when we pay installments for you on that behalf, at that time, if you repay the installment within 3 months, you will not have to pay any interest on that. So these are some highlights of this. Everything will come in detail on this YouTube also and in writing also. So those who have to want guarantors, who want us to be who stand as guarantors, can approach us for all those things. Then thirdly is that you at times, when we have to pay insurance for our vehicles, and we don't have money on time. At that time we will pay insurance for you, and when we pay insurance for you, at that time we will give you insurance loan for that matter, and that insurance loan you have to repay to us at a very nominal rate of interest. That is one thing. For that also you need to have one small saving every month, which will again carry 3% interest for insurance also. And at times, this is for insurance, and at there is a friend of us, one Mr. Joshi. His video will be also uploaded on this. He finances you for transportation premiums, insurance premiums. So transportation insurance premiums, he finances you from 25,000, 40,000 to 50,000. In this bracket, he finances you. So those who have friends in transport organization, you contact us. We will get you loans from Mr. Joshi with all the terms and conditions. With Mr. Joshi's video we will put up over here. So that we will do it. And Mr. Joshi, even if you give him business, he will give you commission also. So my request is to you, take this opportunity as a business. Then third is medical. Now in medical, what happens when you pay medical premium? Okay, so medical premium, if you don't get sick or if you don't get hospitalized, after a year the money what you have paid is lapsed, okay, and then again you have to pay new medical premium. So in our case, whatever medical premium is, whatever medical is there, premium is there, we will divide that premium into 12 parts, and every month you need to pay that, and we will pay 3% interest on that in deposit. We will term it as a deposit, and in the meantime, if you are unwell in that period, we will give you whatever that mediclaim policy, whatever sum assured is there, we will definitely give you that, which you need to repay it to us at again 6% rate of interest once you get recovered out of it, where you have 1 year's moratorium also, 2 months to 1 year's moratorium depending on the disease, okay, and again your things start. We give you a medical card in that, so that medical card is will take you to all those empaneled doctors on our panel, where you will get where you will get medical treatment at a concessional rate, number one. Number two, you can use that card also in our medical shops. Again, there also you will get medical shops at a medical medicines at a very at a discounted rate. So this is a win-win situation for as far as Brahma Artha is concerned. Brahma Shikshan is what we have seen is that after 12th or after graduation, many times we don't have money to pay high fees, because due to reservation we don't get admissions in regular quota. So in private colleges we don't have money to pay for those high fees. So if you start saving for your children right from the beginning, I will say even once the child is born or something like that, but today when the child is already born, okay, if you start saving for them, whatever amount is we will prescribe, say it would be minimum say 200 to 500 rupees per month, where you will earn interest on that, and once you earn interest on that at a rate of 3%, when your children attains the age of 18 or 21, when you require those finances, okay, at that time we will give you loan. Even loan would be given for foreign studies also, okay. By that time also we will be able to gather subsequent amount of money for giving loans and all these things. So I will request you all to come and join us in Brahma Satya, Brahma Artha, where you need to take share of, you need to become a member of Brahma Artha by paying just 1000 rupee, and whatever share capital is there for any other institute, because we will have different we have different organization for Brahma Artha Shikshan, Brahma Artha Brahma Artha Health, and Brahma Artha Vyavasai, that is business. So I would request you to go into all these things. Fourth thing is that we are promoting our businessmen abroad. We are shortly opening up an office in Dubai. Probably this April we will be starting an office in Dubai, and then in Europe, and then in US. At present we are looking at the automobile components to be marketed in Europe and America and other automobile companies, where we will help them to get orders from there. In this case, through Brahma Artha only we will be doing this. So all automobile component manufacturers should take this opportunity, who are small, who are in small scale or medium scale, or who are not able to go to all those countries. So we will be representing you over there. We will tell you how we will get orders for you, and in your name, not in our name. A small commission will be charged by us, and then we will establish the orders. So definitely I will request you all to take look into this, become a member of Brahma Artha by just paying 1000 rupees, and come up in life. Today only this much. Thank you very much.